so left foot on the brake firm, right foot on the gas to the floor. Go. Let go. Hello and welcome, Hennessey Performance fans. Welcome to another great video. My name is Alex and I am with my sweet, loving wife, Emma, and we're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. Say hello.
Hey guys.
So we are in John Hennessey's 911 Turbo S. This thing is a monster. It's the brand new 992 generation. This car is so wicked fast. It's so nice to drive. It's comfortable. It's easy to get in and out of. Today, we're gonna do the how-to launch control. So Emma is gonna be driving and we're gonna switch seats, right?
I could drive one of these suckers. Maybe we should trade in the Macan.
The reason I love Porsche launch control is it's so easy, it's so intuitive. All you do is you push your left foot firmly on the brake, you floor the gas pedal, it'll say activated, and then you let go of the brake promptly and you are off to the races. This thing launches into orbit. It's absolutely insane. We're about to experience it just now. So we have everything in Sport Plus. So this little dial changes the drive mode, so we're in Sport Plus, which is awesome. Everything's ready to go.
Should I take my shoes off? I'm wearing heels. Nah, I think I'm good.
Yeah.
Alright. Tell me when.
Okay guys, here we go. Alright, so left foot on the brake firm, right foot on the gas to the floor. Go. Let go.
Let's do that again.
Let go. Oh my gosh, that is brutal. If you're doing launch control in a Turbo S, you need to hold on to everything, because if you're not holding on to it, it will fly to the rear seat.
I don't understand how y'all have made this look so natural.
Yeah.
I can barely keep my eyes open. It felt crazier than a roller coaster.
Yeah.
And I've been in a lot of fast cars.
So the advertised 0 to 60 on this car is I think 2.4, but people have been running 2.2s, which is pretty crazy. It just throws you back in the seat.
But if I can do it in heels, then anyone can do it.
Yes. All right, well, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.
Woo!